This short tutorial explains how to create and add full 3D sculptures to your gallery. Billboard sculptures are shown in another chapter. Both sorts of sculptures have their advantages, and, depending on how you wish to present your artworks, choose one and prepare your files. Sculptures in the Sculpture tab need to be unlocked for your account. Your Sculpture tab in the Artwork Upload needs to look like this. If not, please contact us. The relevant files are uploaded here in the Sculpture tab for both sorts of our sculpture options. The first one, Billboard, which is a photo-based 2.5D method. Or the second option, 3D Sculpture, which uses a rendered 3D model file such as a GLB or GLTF. You need to know beforehand which method to use and prepare your files accordingly. The technically advanced solution, a 3D sculpture, created with modeling software and then uploaded to the Sculpture tab. These need to be prepared and tested beforehand. You need one GLB or GLTF file with your sculpture already scaled to fit the 1 unit equals 1 meter size of our platform, placed on the absolute origin point of the editor. All components, both shape and skin, need to be rendered to one final file before the upload. Have an extra look at the FAQ article and keep the file size of your GLB file in mind. The smaller your file is, the faster the whole gallery will load. Test your file in the Babylon Sandbox before you load it in Kunstmatrix. If you have error reports there, you will experience display issues in the gallery. Have a cover JPEG prepared. The JPEG is needed as an image for the catalog and your artwork manager. You can use an installation view of the sculpture or any screenshot from an editor or just a proxy image. When creating the actual artwork, fill in the basic info tab with all the usual information and keep the size in mind that you want to have listed for the work in the catalog. Upload the JPEG cover image in the basic info tab and then proceed to the Sculpture tab for the actual sculpture file. Activate 3D Model as your sculpture type there. For full 3D sculpture, ignore the Textures field. Scroll past, load your GLB file in the Geometry field of the form, and decide on an optional base. Then save all of this with the green button. Proceed to the exhibition to place it in there. Find a floor placeholder and drag it on there. Click on it for detail mode. Move it across the floor or up and down with the 3 directional arrows. Use the R key for rotation and the T key for toggle, up, down and across. However, if you have selected a plinth or base, the distance to that is determined by the height above the 0 or origin point in the 3D editor. The display size for full 3D sculptures can't be adjusted or scaled later on, unlike 2D works or billboards, but needs to be done within the actual 3D file beforehand. Sound or videos cannot be assigned to sculptures just yet. You can also use wall placeholders for sculptures. If you rather want to use one or more photographs of a sculpture and keep it simpler, have a look at our billboard method, explained in the previous video. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Please make sure to check out all of our how-to tutorials. And in case you can't find what you're looking for, you can always contact us via the contact form on our website. Feel free to subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss any new tutorials.